Creating an informative content is easy, but getting the people to watch your video is the whole different story. You don't need really a Hollywood studio to shoot your videos. All you need is a good content, basic camera setup, and a good laptop. और लैपटॉप ऐसा जो बार बार क्रैश या फ्रीज ना हो. ये क्या हुआ? यहाँ तो कोई नहीं है. कहीं नन तो नहीं आ गई? डिलीवरी थी यार. It's good to unbox the packaging, highlight the product features, and share the honest reaction. It's all about helping viewers make informed choices. So, here we go. Buying a MacBook Air M1 chip in 2023. I got some reasons to buy this in 2023. But before we jump into the reason, let me quickly cover up the spec of this beautiful machine. Let's start with the star of the show. It's so slim and sleek that it makes other laptops look like they've been on a high carb diet. The retina display on this machine is so stunning. The colors are so vibrant that you would think painted every pixel. And now I don't have to carry extra grams of charger weight with me anymore. I can easily pass a day of work with it. Well, I'm a less of a gamer. The device is so quiet and silent that you'll wonder if it's even turned on. Well, the device is magnificent. Magnificent. Well, I was looking for a device in which I can able to write down my scripts or content. And even if you don't deliver your content writing, I really enjoy typing and writing down things. Anyway, it's a good hobby to write stuff, yeah. Along with the video editing, and it has all the softwares that I need. DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, as well as CapCut. And also it has a GarageBand application which works really well to create those your own composition, music and loops for your videos. So basically I can do almost everything that I need to do, from the email, from the work, business, and for the YouTube channel. So this machine can does everything for me. And the best part is that I don't have to worry about the battery. The battery lasts almost the whole day. No USB cable or a charger. All I need now is a charge device, a charge Mac, and I'm good to go with my day. And you know, I carry mobile phone with me all the time. I'm an Apple device user. So my photos and footage are basically recorded from an iPhone. So I can now easily transfer between my device to the laptop using an AirDrop, which works like a magic. It's faster and it's quicker for me. And while I'm doing something important stuff, I won't get the blue screen of death as well as unusual updates. Even though I grew up looking through the windows, just like most of you, but I feel that this Mac OS is way smoother and it's easy to understand, easy to use. It has a feeling of both an iPad as well as its own Mac OS. So if you are already a user of an iPad or you own any Apple devices, I think using the MacBook will be not difficult at all. It's very, very easy. But anyway, you do subscribe my channel, and then I'm gonna share with you some of the tips and tricks that I'm gonna learn while using it. And as of now, I'm pretty happy with it. Wait, someone is at the door. Slim. It's slim and beautiful. I think we'll do a job that I need. Okay, bye.